Introducing the new high-performance virtual die model. Import DEF to create an accurate virtual die representation for precise design modeling. Leverage LEF support to plan bump alignment during early integration stages. Please set the EV to the configuration shown below. Now let's jump into the demo. First, create a new design called EMIB. Users can easily import LEF and DEF files using the Import button. The LEF, or Library Exchange format, provides the physical abstract of bumps and pads, defining size, pin locations, and routing layers for accurate alignment in the virtual die model. The DEF file, generated by the Aprisa PNR tool, describes the physical design layout of the virtual die, including the die area, pin definitions, bump placement, and routing connectivity. It defines how components are placed and how signals, power, and ground are connected across the design. After import, we can track the internal net connectivity, shown as the orange lines. You can also enable internal net information from the selection list. This option is disabled by default. Next, let's look at another design case with an interposer, where we instantiate the EMIB into the interposer design. We can verify the correctness of the internal connectivity during the import LEF/DEF stages. Using this import flow, it helps designer to verify the design integrity for EMIB across all hierarchy level and verify complete end-to-end assembly correctness.